I didn't know this eye look was gonna look so pink.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I created for you guys this beautiful makeup look using April's BoxyCharm. If you guys would like to learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so the things that I received this month are the brow gel in the color light hair number 3. So it's super light. I didn't get a chance to try it because that's the color of it, and come on, my hair is pretty dark. So yeah, come on BoxyCharm, why you do me like this? And the price of this little baby is $22. The next thing I got is the Dr. Brat Pores No More Vacuum Cleanser. It's also for your pores and it is amazing, so I was excited for this one. I really like it. They're like blue and white, and when you rub it in your face, they break down and it turns blue. So it turns blue, so your face is blue. And the price of this little thing, it's $47. So moving on, I also got this Tarte liquid highlighter, and mine is in the color Stunner, and that's the one I'm wearing right now. It looks so nice. It's like a really nice champagne gold color, and this is the way it looks. So nice. The price of this liquid highlighter is $29. And of course, I also got this Adesse, I think that's how it's called. It's a liquid lipstick, and it doesn't say the color. I was trying to look for the color, but I couldn't find it anywhere. It's the lipstick I'm wearing right now. It's a really nice nude, pinky, peachy color. I really like it. Yeah, I will for sure keep using it. The price of this liquid lipstick is $24. I also got this palette from Colourpop. This is the Element of Surprise, and these are the shades inside. They are so beautiful. I have a lot of Colourpop palettes, but I do not have this one, so I was very excited that I got this palette. I was actually hoping to get this one, and I did get it. So I used this palette to create this look. The price of this palette is $16. So with all the products that you get in this BoxyCharm, the total price is $138. So, and come on, you only pay $21 a month. If you are not subscribed to BoxyCharm, you are missing out. We always get good stuff. I've been having it for a while and I really like it. So yeah, I will leave a link down below so you can go and subscribe, because I mean, $138 worth of makeup, it's good. So the first thing I will be using is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleanser from Dr. Brat, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And I guess you're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. A little blue dots in there. You see? Interesting. It smells kind of weird. Ooh, it's like blue. Is this gonna make my face blue? Oh, it did. It actually feels really nice. I like it. Make my face super smooth. I will keep using it. So I got this beautiful palette. It's so pretty. I was hoping for this one and I got it. Of course, first I'm gonna prime my eyelids using the Shade Tape Concealer in the color Medium. so for my transition color, I will be using this one right here. Alright, the next color I'm taking is this one right here. Alright, the next color I'm taking is this really bright fuchsia. And I'm just gonna place this in the center of my eyelid. Whoa, that's like neon pink. So pretty though. Here in the inner corner, I will be placing this color. Alright, so I think these are the eyelashes I will be using today. These are the Cocoa Lashes in the style Ariel. Alright, for my bottom eyelash, I think I'm gonna go with this brown sparkly color. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, for my inner corners, I think I'm gonna go with this purple color right here. So I got the brow gel, right? But look at the color I got. Can you guys see it? It's a light hair number 3. Exactly, so I'm not gonna use it. And look, I'll show you the color. No. Alright, moving on. I'm using this Tarte Pearl Gold. It's a liquid highlighter and I got it in the color Stunner. So let's see how it looks. So pretty. I feel like it dries fast, so you have to work fast with it. So pretty. Moving on, I will be going with Adesse. This is a liquid lipstick. So let's see. I think it would look perfect. It's like a pretty nude color. This is in the color. Wait, does it have a color? Nope. It doesn't have a color. So I like it. Alright, so pretty much this is all I'm gonna do for my makeup. I liked all of the products except the brow gel because it's not even my color. But highlighter was nice. The lipstick is on point. I like the color. It looks good on my skin. And the palette, come on, it's amazing. And the face mask was really good too. Alright guys, so this is the final look using April's BoxyCharm. It was so exciting. I love filming BoxyCharm videos. I think they are so fun and I know you guys like them too. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also leave me a comment down below because I always comment back, and enter my giveaway on the things that are right behind me. I will leave a link down below so you guys can watch the video and see all the rules and everything to be entered in the giveaway. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching.